MailerLite tutorial for beginners, how to use MailerLite for email marketing. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use MailerLite for your email marketing campaigns and what is MailerLite and what are the other features about this platform that you need to know about. So without any delay, let's get into the video. So first of all, what I have done is I have opened MailerLite.com onto my web browser. As you can see, this is their home page. Here you can create landing pages, automations, email marketing. It also helps you create sign-up forms, and you can also create your website using MailerLite. So how you can come and how you can basically sign up. It is a very easy process. I'm just going to show you a very quick version of how you can do everything on MailerLite. So let's get into it. Here you can see I have this sign up for free option. They have a free version available for you as well, but they also have their priced versions. Let's go and check out their priced versions first so that you know what you're getting for free and what you're not getting for free. Okay, so here you can see they have this free version, and this is obviously free and free for up to 1,000 subscribers. It has 12,000 monthly emails. It has only one user, and Monday to Friday email support is available. Key features are drag and drop editor, email automation builder, websites, 10 landing pages, and sign up forms and pop-ups. So and there's another plan for you available as well. It is growing business and it is for $9 per month, and as you can see, it has unlimited monthly emails. 3 users can access this. 24/7 email support is available, and they also have this sell digital products. You can also have unlimited templates, dynamic emails, auto resend campaigns, and unlimited websites and blogs, and unsubscribe page builder. So after that, you have another plan which is for $19 per month, and it is the advanced plan, and it has unlimited monthly emails and unlimited users can access this. 24/7 chat and email support is available. You have Facebook integration, custom HTML editor, promotion pop-ups, multiple triggers and automations, and preference center. So these are all the things that you're going to get in $19 per month. And if you have a big enterprise, if this is not working for you as well, and if you want something which is for over 100k subscribers, you can just go on to their custom pricing. You can contact them and you can find a plan for yourself and basically generate a customized plan for yourself that fulfills all your needs. So this was their priced version. Now if I go back and I'm just going to click on the sign up for free, and they'll give me the sign up form where I can register myself, and then I can start with MailerLite, and I can see I can create email marketing campaign for myself. So right here, what you have to add is basically your company or organization. Then you need to add your name, then you need to add your email address, and then you have to create a password for yourself. After then, you can just click on this create my account option, and your account will be created. An email will be sent to this address that you have provided. For the verification code, you have to enter in the verification code, and after that you'll be able to create your account. So let me just fill this process quickly and then I'll get back to you guys. Okay, so I have successfully logged in, and here you can see they have different platforms. It's always a pleasure to see you. Please select the platform you wish to use. There's a MailerLite. Then you have other products. It is a MailerCheck. Take control of your email list and increase open rates and ROI with quick, reliable insights. And then a MailerSend. Transactional messaging built to be scaled quickly for the entire team to contribute. So you can also use these different platforms on MailerLite, and you have your MailerLite Academy, your knowledge base, and video tutorials. But I'm just going to click on this MailerLite because that's what I'm going to access, and that's where I'm going to build a email marketing campaign for myself. So I'm just going to wait until it loads. Okay, so here you can see this is my dashboard, and this is my Allah's market. This is I'm running a free plan, and this is the organization that I have. Now the signing up is completed, and then I have my email verification completed. Now the third step is basically I have to complete my profile. So you can just go on and click on that, and you can just go complete your profile on MailerLite. They will basically ask you your first name, your last name, company's name, and website URL. If you have any website, you can just go on, and as you can see, these are all the steps. You have your organization, interests, subscribers, tools, and this is finished. So this is how you basically complete the whole process. Let's go on and do that. I'm going to enter, this is my first name. I don't have a last name. I'm going to click on the next step. Okay, so these are the both fields that are required. So I'm just going to click to enter in any other information. If you don't have a website, you can choose that option as well, but I'm not going into it right now. I'm just going to show you how you can create a campaign for yourself using MailerLite. So from dashboard, you can just go on to campaigns, and you can see, okay guys, so I have completed the whole sign up process, and I completed the whole profile process as well. Now this is my dashboard, and here you can see I have different features that I can access. I can create campaign, I can create form, create automation, automate emails to reach subscribers at the perfect time, and I can create a site. So you can have your performance performance overview right here. You can have your total subscribers, new subscribers that became subscribed today, and new subscribers this month, and unsubscribed people who have unsubscribed to your newsletter as well. And here you can see you'll have a chart when your the whole thing goes up and down. You have your subscribers and unsubscribers right here, and then you have your campaigns, email sent, opens, clicks, and CTUR, and you have your campaigns, email sent, open, and their whole percentage and everything right here as well. Then you have your automations and your published sites. So you can just go on, and I'm going to create an email campaign for myself. I'm just going to click on this continue. Okay, so now what you need to do is you have to name your campaign, and let's say I'm just going to name it test campaign. And then I have a type. Do you want a regular campaign? Send 2 email variations to sample group and see which email performs better. AB split campaign. RSS automatically send new content from your website or blog, or auto resend. Give subscribers a second chance to open your newsletter. So I'm just going to go with regular campaign. I'm going to click on save and continue. Then you have your subject. This text will be displayed in the subject field in your recipient's email. So I'm just going to name it a subject. Let's say I'm going to, like, my products are going to go on sale. I'm going to name them as sale offer. So this is my campaign. This is the email that I'm going to basically come on and send. And you can insert personalization as well. You can just go on and add name, last name, country, and etc. You can also add these different emoticons if you want to. Then you can see these are all the things that are available. You can add them as well to make it a little more attractive. Then you have your sender's name, and this is the sender email. And then you have your tracking options. Track opens with an invisible beacon embedded in your emails, or enable UTM tags. Add parameters to your URLs to track newsletter traffic on web analytics platforms. I'm going to enable both, and then I'm going to click on the language. The language is going to be English, and I'm going to go on the content. In the content section, you have to add your email design, or you have different options. You have a drag and drop editor, you have a rich text editor, meet your new rich text editor, seamless inline, and you have a custom HTML editor. So I'm just going to go with the drag and drop editor because it is very easy to use. You can just drag different content and you can just drop them onto your email wherever you want them, and it is very easy. But you can also go onto their template gallery, and you can see if you see any kind of template that you want to use and that you want to redesign, you can just go with that. It will make the whole process a lot easier because that's what it is about. You just don't have to design the whole thing. You don't have to go in and see what looks best and everything. You will have a template for yourself, and you will see how everything is looking, and you can also change a lot of things in your template. Like if you want to change everything, you can just do that as well. And let's see this one here, this is Black Friday courses sale. I'm just going to choose this one because obviously I'm having something related to sale as well. I'm going to choose this, and I'm going to redesign it, and I'll show you how you can basically make it your own customized template. Okay, so here you have your template, and here you can see you can add in your company name, you can add in the logo. This is the logo option. You can just add this right here. You have logo plus title option as well. You can integrate it into, like, for example, just take this and paste it right here. Then you will have your logo and your weekly newsletter. You have your logo and horizontal navigation, you have your normal navigation, you have your logo plus content section right here. Then you have your title, you have subtitle and title. So you have basically different kind of blocks right here. You can add these blocks onto your email and you'll be good to go. This is highlight article. Like if I click on this and drag it right here, it will be added here. So this is basically the banner. This is going to be the banner image. So what if you want to edit the image, you can just go on and edit that image, and you can choose any other image that you want to. And if you want to enter a URL that you want to paste here, you can just do that as well. I'm going to click on edit image. Okay, so for edition, what you need to do is you basically have to upload an image. I don't have any images uploaded yet, so I'm just going to go into my pictures really quickly, and I'm going to upload a random picture right here. Let's say this is the picture that I want to upload. I'm just going to click on this, and I'm going to open it. Okay, so I'm just going to click on insert, and as you can see, this became my header picture. Now it looks more attractive this way. Okay, so Black Friday 30% off starting now. If you want to change anything, just click on this option right here, and you'll be able to edit the text and everything. This is like, go on here and you can edit that. If you want to see a preview, you can just go on and choose a target audience. You can see who is going to see it. Specify recipients. You have customized recipients and exclude recipients if you want to. Then you have your copy option, and then you have your remove option. You can also move it up, move it down, or you have your take it anywhere you want to. Then you have your other content. You can just go on and do different things. You can just add something, you can just remove something if you want to. And then you have a different added action, just click on that. You have save as template and remove content blocks. If you want to remove content blocks, just go on and add that. I'm going to click on cancel from right here. Okay, so now you're back. Now you can basically template setting, you can add block types, and this is list. You can add different card, you can add full width block types as well, and these are all the blocks. In the other settings, you can add header, content, RSS, features, gallery, buttons, e-commerce, special, social, and sharing. Like if you go on social and sharing, what you're gonna get are basically these social links options that you can add to your website, and you can embed your social links right here, and everything will people will go on and check your social links from this newsletter. You can also add your surveys and quizzes into this. We value your feedback. Like for example, if I add this block, okay, let's say I want to add it right here. We value your feedback. Help us improve our new product line by answering a few questions. You can just click on, everyone will click on this begin, and the survey will start, and you can create a survey for yourself as well. So this is how basically you can edit the whole thing. After you have done everything, then you can preview it as well, or you can just go on and click on this done editing, and you can send this test campaign to anyone that you want. I'm going to show you that as well. Okay, so now you can add your recipient. All active subscribers are going to receive your emails, and I'm going to, after that, you can just click on next review. And now this is basically the subject and sender, sale offer, sender is this, and language is English, the content is going to be this, and then you have your tracking settings, track open and recipients, and after everything is done, after everything is good, you can just click on account is not active yet. You need to upgrade your plan to activate your account, but you can just click on this next schedule, and it will take you to automation. In the automation, you will have to basically schedule your email. When are you going to send out these emails? You can add a time, you can add a date, and you'll be able to create the campaign, and you'll be able to send that campaign out in a really easy manner. So this was it for today's video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. I was a big help to you. If you have any queries, just comment it down in the comment section below, and I will try to get back to you guys. Until then, take good care of yourself, and bye bye.